Hi, I'm Monica. Welcome to my Caravan cooking series in association with Bailey of Bristol. We're in this beautiful Bailey of Bristol Unicorn Barcelona, which is just stunning. Fabulous kitchen, lots and lots of space. I'm going to be doing some comfort food, a set of 6 recipes, all cooked in this gorgeous, comfortable caravan. I am now going to show you how to make fish cakes, and they are really simple, and in this lovely caravan it's really easy to make them because there's so much space. Nice piece of salmon, and what I've got in here is I've got some potatoes just boiling away, or starting to boil. Put a little bit of salt in to get them going a bit more, and then I'm putting the sieve on top of the potatoes, and I'm taking my salmon fillets and I'm putting them skin side down into the sieve like that. And then the salmon will simmer in the lovely potato water. They'll steam away and they'll cook just on one ring, so it's very gas efficient. So the potato has mashed and salmon is all nicely poached, and I've just put it together in a little bowl, and I have popped in a tiny little bit of goat's butter to mash the potatoes with, and I'm just going to mix it all up. I'm going to put a little bit of lime juice in there with the potatoes just to give it a little bit of zing, and then some chopped parsley, and you get to a point where you just have to get your hands in. So there we go, look at that, doesn't that look nice? So that really was quick. So now I'm going to flour this board, and I'm going to flour my hands, and I'm going to make and shape some lovely little fish cakes. Take a nice handful, put them on the flour, and there you go. There's one. I know that you can use breadcrumbs, but these make lovely light fish cakes. There we go. So now our lovely little fish cakes are ready to pan fry. And actually the nice thing is that you could make these in advance and keep them in the fridge. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of goat's butter. I'm totally into goat's butter at the moment. It's much cleaner and shorter than cow's butter, and but it gives a really lovely flavour to the oil. But you have to mix it with oil because it would burn if the oil stops it burning, because butter burns at a really low temperature. So I'm just going to put a little bit of lime juice in. Delicious and so simple. You could use lemon, but I prefer lime. It's a little bit more gentle. So just want to get this nice and hot, and then we'll just get them on. So there they go. Nice little fish cakes. And you don't have to use salmon. You could use whatever you like. But we'll just wait for them to cook, and they won't take long. Just a nice fish cake and some salad is a really lovely meal. There we go.